Today I will show you how I create the mockup videos I use in my videos. So I use this tool called Promogen, this website. I will leave a link for you in the description. And what's really cool is we can see it here at the beginning. We can create a mockup video and I will show you exactly how simple it is. So I just press here and then I can select the template I want and I can easily upload the clip or the screenshot I have from my app here. And as you can see, there are a lot of templates you can choose from, but for today I will just use the first one here. So I've set my picture and I can also say if I want to have it in the format for TikTok, but I usually use the standard version, then I cut it myself if I have to use a smaller one. So what also really cool is I can choose between different phones, for example iPhone, Samsung phone and also the screen if you want. And you have many customization options here. For example, you can set the color of your phone and even to a custom color. And what's also really cool is you can set the background individually, so it matches the color theme of your app. So I will just use the blue theme for my expense tracker Casio. And then I only have to press export. And here I can of course give the file name, for example mockup video. Then I can set the quality I want. And I can also, if I want that, set it to a transparent background. And then I just have to press export. And now the video is prepared for you in your browser. So you have to wait a little bit. And after a few minutes, your video is ready to download. So now you can just press download. And the download will start and you can open the video and use it for your projects. And that's it. It's this easy. And this whole process took me maybe 5 to 10 minutes. And now I can use this clip in DaVinci Resolve to cut my videos, or I can put it on my website. On the next episode I talk more about my landing page and how I build it. So make sure you follow along. And if you want to try Promogen yourself, make sure you check out the link in the description.